Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I know for me shaving is an annoying chore, and some call it a necessary evil. But with this YAMANGU IPL hair remover, maybe it's not as necessary as we think. While it's recommended for men to use this below the neckline, it doesn't mean you have to shave your legs in order for this to help us guys who are comfortable with our manly fuzziness. I found this works great around my neckline where my t-shirts fall, and I have to try and tame the mane from crawling up from my chest. My wife used it on her legs as well as her armpits, and though we've only been using it for a few weeks, the amount of hair regrowth has reduced, and the hairs that have returned are not as thick as normal. This gives us the confidence that if we use it as directed for the recommended 8 weeks, the amount of effort to stay hair-free will be greatly reduced. While those who have used IPL at a salon probably know this, I learned that this works best on lighter skin with darker hair. The unit has a cooling function, which really helped a lot. I wouldn't describe the feeling as pain, more like a slight snap and maybe like a light sunburn for a few minutes after using it on a new area. So whether you've used IPL at a salon before, or like me and my wife, it's your first time, this IPL remover by YAMANGU is easy to use, convenient, and makes hair removal just a little less evil. But that's my point of view.